Hi everybody, this is Dr. Thomas. So I've got an idea. You remember how I was talking about catechisms? Well, I was looking at our course and it looks like you guys have an oral review at the end of the course. It's like some sort of panel where all the professors and all the students get together and have one happy oral test. So in preparation for that, I thought maybe I could enlist your help in generating your own questions for this end of semester, end of Apologetics 101 oral exam. And one of the most sensible ways I think to do that is to use catechism. So I want you to make your own catechism, and I won't make it due Tuesday because it's too short notice, but I wanted to let you know my thoughts. And maybe we can have it due some other day. But I want you to look back over what we've looked at so far and start to generate your own catechisms. Just write it on a piece of paper. All you do is you look at what you've been learning, think of some lesson that we've had that you think is particularly meaningful, and then turn that into a question. Then come up with an answer, and then work on the answer to the question and make it sound easy to remember so you can remember it, teach it to your kids or whatever. For example, let's say you're taking your kids to a museum and you're reading the placards with them, and you want them to remember how to discern what parts of what they say on the placard are science and verifiable by observational, repeatable experimentation, and what parts of what it says on the placard are just storytelling. And so you could turn that into a question, like, how can you tell what's science and what's story? And then come up with an answer for the student to provide. You can tell what's science from what's story, or let's say you can do it like this. You can tell it's a story when they use past tense. That's simple enough. So past tense verbs indicate, oh, now we're starting to talk about the past, which is not approachable by empirical science. Anyway, so let's start working on those. And if you want to bring one to class Tuesday, that'd be great. I'll give you opportunity to share it. That would be encouraging to the rest of us. Otherwise, I'll put a due date on that, and I may not have a grade for it, but what I'd like to do is to collect all of your catechisms, put them in a bucket, and pick ones I like, and then I'll let everyone know at the end of the semester the list of catechisms. And the more you give me, the more potential, or the more likelihood you'll have of getting review questions at the end of the semester that you guys have actually made up. So there.